Welcome back to the channel. Today, inside this factory, chili sauce is transformed from raw harvest to a finished product through a precise industrial process.
Only mature chilies are selected for peat color and firmness. Consistency begins at the very first step.
Harvested chilies are immediately organized for transport. Timing is critical to preserve freshness.
Within hours, the chilies begin their journey to the factory. Every delay risks altering their natural chemistry. From farmland to factory, the transition is seamless. But the real transformation is yet to begin.
Inside this facility, raw ingredients become refined products. Precision defines every stage within.
The intake zone is where control begins. Every batch is logged and tracked.
Each crate is digitally recorded upon arrival. Traceability ensures quality from source to bottle. Automation begins to organize the raw flow. Uniformity is introduced before processing starts.
Surface quality plays a critical role in flavor output. Even small defects are identified and removed.
Separate batches now combine into a unified flow. The process begins to scale rapidly. Vibration aligns the raw material for consistency. Controlled motion prepares them for the next stage. Machine calibration ensures uniform intake speed. Precision begins before processing even starts. This synchronized system transforms chaos into order. Every element operates with purpose.
The raw chilies now move deeper into the facility. The next phase will change them completely.
From natural harvest to controlled environment, the shift is immediate. Conditions are now carefully regulated.
The chilies are now ready for their first transformation. But before that can happen, they must be thoroughly cleaned.
The first stage begins with intensive washing. Surface impurities must be completely removed.
Rotation ensures every surface is exposed to cleaning. Even fine debris is carefully filtered out. Large-scale systems allow continuous processing without interruption. Efficiency is built into every stage. Water pressure is precisely regulated for optimal cleaning. Too much force can damage the chilies. Excess water is removed immediately after washing. Controlled drying prepares them for cutting.
Airflow removes remaining surface moisture. Uniform dryness ensures stable processing conditions.
Optical systems detect imperfections instantly. Only uniform chilies continue forward.
Cutting transforms whole chilies into manageable pieces. Uniform size is essential for consistent processing.
Each cut exposes the internal structure of the chili. This step releases the core flavor components.
Prepared chilies now advance to controlled heating. This stage begins the transformation of raw ingredients into sauce.
The core transformation begins with controlled heat. Temperature activates the natural compounds inside the chilies. Heat softens the chili structure. This prepares them for efficient extraction.
Precise control maintains consistent thermal conditions. Even slight variations can affect flavor.
Parallel systems increase production capacity. Uniform processing ensures every batch matches. Heat transforms solid pieces into a softer mass. The structure begins to break down. Grinding reduces the material into a fine paste. This step is critical for smooth consistency. Mechanical force refines the texture further. Uniformity begins to take shape. High-capacity systems maintain continuous flow. Scale and precision work together here. The paste now moves through sealed systems. Contamination is prevented at every stage. Mixing begins to unify the processed material. Even distribution ensures balanced flavor. The core manufacturing stage builds the foundation of the sauce. Next comes the precision that defines its final quality. The refinement stage begins with filtration. Unwanted solids are carefully separated.
Fine mesh removes coarse particles and seeds. This step defines the smoothness of the final sauce.
Parallel filtration ensures uniform refinement. Every batch meets the same standard.
Removed material is checked for efficiency. Minimal loss ensures maximum yield.
The refined puree now moves to controlled blending. This is where balance is achieved.
Measured ingredients are added with exact precision. Each component shapes the final profile.
Dosing systems regulate every addition. Accuracy prevents imbalance in flavor.
Gentle mixing integrates all components evenly. Texture and flavor begin to stabilize.
The sauce reaches a refined consistency. Its signature appearance starts to emerge. Key parameters are continuously monitored. Balance is maintained through precise measurement. Refinement occurs in carefully staged layers. Each stage enhances the final quality.
The sauce is now fully refined and balanced. Next comes the final validation before completion.
The finishing stage begins with pasteurization. Heat eliminates any remaining microorganisms.
Temperature is carefully maintained throughout the process. Stability is essential for shelf life.
Parallel systems ensure consistent treatment across all batches. Uniformity is strictly controlled.
Rapid cooling stabilizes the product after heating. This preserves both texture and flavor. Temperature changes influence the sauce's final consistency. Controlled cooling ensures uniform thickness. Samples are collected for detailed analysis. Quality checks begin at this stage.
Each batch undergoes strict laboratory testing. Parameters must meet exact specifications.
Color consistency reflects proper processing. It is a key indicator of quality.
Flow behavior reveals the sauce's structure. Precision ensures repeatable results.
Only approved batches move forward. Every stage must meet strict standards.
The sauce is now verified and ready. The final step will bring it to completion.
The final stage begins with precision filling. Every bottle receives an exact measured volume. Automated systems ensure uniform distribution. Consistency is maintained across every unit.
The final texture becomes clearly visible at this stage. Every detail reflects the process behind it.
Sealing protects the product from contamination. Each bottle is secured immediately after filling. Controlled sealing ensures long-term stability. Every cap is applied with precision. Labeling provides identity and traceability. Each unit is marked for distribution. Alignment is carefully controlled during labeling. Presentation reflects quality standards. Automated inspection ensures visual perfection. Only flawless products continue forward. Automation organizes products for shipment. Efficiency continues until the very end. Finished goods are stored under controlled conditions. They are now ready for global distribution.
From raw harvest to refined product, every step is carefully controlled. The journey is complete, sealed within every bottle.